Hey, it's Kate with WTI, and this is the iPhone 15 Pro Max.
I have it here in the blue titanium, which I think is a really gorgeous blue color. It's super pretty. It has a kind of iridescent shimmer to it. I love it. This phone is so light for a Pro Max. It is noticeably lighter than the last one, and it has always on display, so you can see it goes dark and then you tap it, or you can lift the phone, and then the screen is going to fully light up for you. So that's a pretty cool feature. This phone is awesome. I love the island that it has, so it kind of changes notifications a little bit. You'll see in the screen recording that it displays some things that you're doing up in the top on that island. I think that's pretty cool. I really, really love this feature. And it has an amazing camera with a few different zoom options on that camera as well. And the pictures that it takes are super, super crisp. I love it.
I think that this is a great phone. If you are looking to get an iPhone or upgrade yours, I recommend checking out the 15 Pro Max. That's just my point of view.